Hi everyone. Today we write a JavaScript program that repeatedly calculates the cube root of a number until it gets less than 3. You count how many steps this process takes. This exercise is a fun way to practice loops and math operations in code. Let's jump in. We start with a number and keep taking its cube root until it becomes less than 3. For positive numbers like 27 and 10,000, we count the steps needed. If the number is negative, we return a message saying it is invalid. This straightforward loop with a simple exit condition. Here's how the code works. We initialize a counter to 0. While n is 3 or greater, we update n to its cube root and increase the counter by 1. After the loop ends, if n is negative, we return a special message. Otherwise, we return how many steps it took. First, we set up a step counter to 0. Then we enter a loop that runs as long as the number is at least 3. Inside the loop, we update the number by taking its cube root, then increase our step count. Once the number dips below 3, we then exit the loop. If the number was negative from the start, we return a warning message. Otherwise, we return the number of steps. Here's what happens with some test inputs. For 27, 2 cube roots bring it below 3. For 10,000, the same thing, 2 steps. For negative 100, it is not positive, so we return the message. This covers all typical scenarios. This kind of repeated root calculation is useful in numerical methods, scientific modeling, and data normalization. It helps in understanding convergence and iterative algorithms. Plus, it is a great way to practice using loops and math operations in code. To sum up, we wrote a function that repeatedly takes the cube root of a number until it's less than 3. Counting the steps taken, we've also made sure to handle invalid negative inputs gracefully. This example is a great way to combine loops, math, and conditionals in JavaScript. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.